Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Of course, yes, it's a must. Welcome back to another video. Let's get to cooking. I hope you guys are doing so well. So on today's menu, we have some curry shrimp. Yes, and here are the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. My shrimp has already been washed and deveined. Check them out. Check them out. And I will be using my favorite Better Pack curry. Come through Better Pack curry powder. Yes, that's you. Come to the front of the line. So of course our curry shrimp needs some nicing up, so I'm going to cut up some onions to add to it, and at the same time I'm going to cut some into smaller pieces that I will add to my raw shrimp to help to season it. So these kind of smaller pieces, I'm just gonna cut them up real fine and add them to my shrimp. Cut them up. Okay, you know how we say season your food, extra season up your food and make it extra nice. So of course curry shrimp needs some sweet peppers, so I'm going in with some red that I'm cutting into chunks, and some green. I guess you can call it cubes really, so I'm cutting them into cubes. Also I'm gonna add some scallion or green onion. Yes, cut it up. This is really for more so for garnishing though, so cut it up. And of course some grated ginger. Now ginger is so good into curry, into almost anything or most things, you know. It make it really nice. It just get a karate kick. Oh yes, it does. It sure does. So yes, I'm gonna add some ginger. And I'm going to add a little piece of carrot. So any chance I get for add some veggies, trust me, I will put it in whatever I'm cooking. So sometimes I do add it, I don't always add it, but especially now since I have children, yes, I'm popping them veggies in. Now let's continue to season the shrimp. First I'm going to add some onion powder. Onion powder. And some olive oil. Dried thyme. Roasted garlic and pepper. I love this thing right here. It adds some awesome flavor. Love it. And of course I'm adding some lovely all-purpose seasoning. And last but absolutely not least, some of my Better Pack curry powder. If you never yet try this one, please try it. You need to try it. In my humble opinion, this is the best one. Love it. So I'm just adding some of it just to season the shrimp. So rub up everything. And as much as I use the spoon, because I was trying to prevent my fingers from getting all curried up, well, the evidence was still evident. Yes, because my fingers still got curry on them. So mix it up well. because we include everybody. Everybody have to get some shrimp on them and the other seasoning. Yes. Nice. So now to my preheated pot, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Yes, coconut oil, just to give it a little slap. And then I'm going to add the rest of my curry powder and I'm going to stir it up. So I'm using basically the entire pack. So yeah, stir it up and allow this to burn for about 2 minutes, but not burn as in burn up, just just burn it out, make it go and cook, or if you want to use the term cook, but yeah, we say burn. So just stir it and watch it. And guys, if you could smell this thing, it smells amazing, the coconut oil and the curry together. Yeah, so then I'm going to add some thyme and my sweet peppers and onion mix. What can I say? What can I say? If you're a cookies, then just think about the scents that I mean. The smell them where pop out left, right and center. Just come like say somebody just abuse my sense of smell. Really nice. So stir it around and make it go and simmer for a nice minute, and then I'm going in and I added my ginger and my minced garlic. And now more than ever, yes, it's like everything I add is just, listen, can I tell you how heavenly the kitchen smelled that day? It smells so good. So yeah, combine everything and now let's add shrimpy. So add them in, and what I am trying to do is to let each shrimp have a little spot in the pot that they can call their own. Yes, I want each of them have a little space, instead of living on top of the sweet peppers and onion, and then it won't get to cook. It not gonna get for cook right, or some are gonna cook faster than some. So yeah, see it here. So I'll let them sit directly on the pot. Just move the veggies to the side. So yeah, it won't take long for you to see the shrimp getting pink. So flip them and allow the other side to cook. Cause shrimp just don't take long for cook. Like especially these the raw ones, like 8 minutes. You really don't want to cook them for long. So that's why you need to burn your curry, make your curry cook properly. And then, it's all about timing, because shrimp not take long for cook at all. So turn them over. Here is my lovely shrimp being bubbly. Yes, that looks so good. That looks so good. Amazing. And it smells so good too, honestly. So I'm going to add some cumin to further knock the flavor out of the pork. Don't add too much. It might have been about ½ teaspoon. Stir it up, and guys, do you see that? I haven't added any water or anything, but you see the shrimp is making its own little juice. So yeah, so I'm pushing the shrimp aside so that I can pour some hot water into the pot, and then now stir it up. Okay, you want a little bit of gravy. Now me never try make no whole heap of gravy or whatever, because we are gonna eat off all of this in a one day. So yeah, add a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, the rest of the sweet peppers, some ground pimento, and stir it up. And at this point, only cook it for about another 2 minutes, and then that's you. That looks so juicy and delicious. That looks so good. Yes, that looks so amazing. Boy, precious memories. But of course, let's top it off with some scallion. We need to add the scallion. That looks so amazing. Yes, so add the scallion or green onions. As I said, it's mainly for garnish, and add some black pepper. And stir it up. Guys, if you would want like more gravy, because me are the only one really we're crazy about gravy, so it really never matter. But if you want more, then yeah, tip some more water in it and you're good to go. But yes, that looks so delish. And just like that, you're done. Vibes fam, here we have it. Some curry shrimp bursting with flavor, so mouth-wateringly delicious. Vibes fam, this is for sure. When I say sure, a must try. You have to try it. Check it out. I mean, what you have to lose, unless you're allergic to shrimp. The veggies and the colors are popping. Guys, can I tell you how my family thoroughly enjoyed this meal? It was amazing. Watch the rice go on like it want embarrass me, like it I try drop down. But no, come through shrimp. You look good, yes, and you tasted even better. That looks amazing. But yeah, Vibes fam, thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and for sure subscribe. And new watchers, yes, subscribe please, and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I post a video. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thanks for watching. God bless you.